It's gonna spill!
Oh yeah.
It's gonna spill!
Oh yeah.
Wait, I need to...
Wait, what are we doing today?
We're cutting open squishies.
Cutting open squishies. Slowly. Squishies. So, these things are fun. Kids have them all over the place. But what's inside of them? What's inside? Do you know? I don't either. Today, we'd like to find out.
Why are you using knives?
What? Are you scooting away? Is that why you're scooting away? I'm a professional.
No, you're not.
I know. X-Acto knives have been X-Actoed. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. My
I
bad.
know which one we should start with.
Okay, we're going to start with
Mr. Alien.
Mr. Alien. It's a one-eyed. We can use this to open it.
No.
Or you can just get right in there. First, let's feel the squishy. Ooh, and you can see kind of what's in there.
Listen.
Foam beads.
But he's flat. You
Yeah.
can put him on a keychain.
Oh, because he has a thing. We're gonna.
Oh,
Yeah.
wait.
Got my keys to
let me
my
see this,
ride
let me
with a
see
big
this.
alien on it.
Wait. I see foam beads.
It's like a snow globe. Did what fell out? Oh, he's falling apart already.
Wait, does he have a mustache?
Yes. Very cool aliens. All the cool aliens have mustaches. Let me do this one because I don't want the
should
beads
put it
going
in the
everywhere. Put it in the middle. Okay.
Or like the side like that.
Which one? Can you tell me where?
That one has more space. No, that one. That one.
You sure?
Yes, that one.
Okay. Here we go.
Wait, there's not enough spaces for 8 squishies.
We'll figure it out.
If they're not messy, you can put them on the table.
Can I go?
Yes. I just want to see. Did it work?
Oh!
Wait.
It deflated. So now all the air's out of it, which is going to make it easy. Yeah.
Can I park that plate and pick her really quick?
These are
Mr. Genius. You're gonna hurt yourself.
only if you tell me that I'm going to do that.
I'm gonna go get scissors.
Okay, you go get scissors.
Can I cut it open?
For sure.
These scissors. What if it goes everywhere? Wait. Mr. Alien broke. I just put that under the table.
Awesome.
I'm gonna cut his antenna.
You got to get it. Oh, you got to. Oh, yeah, you did. You just circumcised an alien.
Get off of there. And the bead.
Put the bead in the thingy. Oh, you don't want to do that. Let's just. Here, let me see the. We're getting air back in there. This is taking a lot longer than I thought it would with this,
Yes.
this one. Oh, there we go.
Oh, there's one that we're gonna do for last, and it's really big.
Okay. Oh, it's like snowing.
It's snowing.
It's snowing bees.
I wanna see what's inside
Oh,
of
look,
the
look. He's got a mouth now. Hello, Emma. I'm throwing up beads. Cord there. Some good fun. Yeah.
Can I park that plate and pick her really quick?
I see your hand.
Okay, thank you. I'll try to be quiet. After I rip some parchment paper off. Oh, I need the other one.
No, it won't. Wait, what?
You have started?
Yeah, I started it before that.
We take turns from ourselves. What? The scissors.
They're not Orbeez, they're water. I'm gonna try the X-Acto knife again.
Well,
Oh,
it's gonna take forever.
no, just wait. This one's gonna work.
How do you know?
Here we go.
Mr. Alien has hair.
No, don't.
Don't. I told you you needed
don't
the
do it.
scissors.
Don't do
I
it.
told you you needed the scissors.
Oh, they're coming out.
It's raining.
Oh, it's raining Orbeez. Oh.
They're
oh.
tiny Orbeez.
They're tiny Orbeez.
They're wet.
Are they?
Yes.
Oh,
Wait,
that
let me get
feels
all of them.
fantastic.
Where's the opening? Look, it has a mouth.
So they're like little Orbeez. That's cool.
Wait, what happens if you make?
But they're wet. All right.
Wait, I can't. My hands are wet.
So far, that's my favorite. Now we got to choose from your side. Turning the table of squish.
Okay, fine. This one. It's a water squishy. I feel like
Show them. Show the package.
Mr.
Mr. Pooh?
Mr. Poodoo.
Mr. Poodoo?
Poodoo. That's his
Poodoo.
name.
Last name Do, first name Pooh.
Poodoo. Hi, Ethan.
Oh, it's already leaking. It's water. Okay, that was a huge
We
disappointment.
need a napkin. Ew. Ew. You know what that looks like.
It's peeing. Poop is peeing.
We need more napkins.
That was a dud. All
We
right.
need more napkins.
No, we got it. We got this. We got this. We don't have a
We
person.
need more napkins.
We don't have people. So the poo,
It's
was full of
already
pee.
leaking.
yeah, it's all leaking. So gross.
Um,
Let's go with the big boy.
Big boy.
Big boy! This is called Orb Oddities
Orb oddity.
Slimy Balls with a Z. Slimy balls
Wait,
with a...
wait, you opened that one, so I can open
No, that was
mine?
yours.
You want to open that?
No.
Just try the X-Acto knife and it doesn't work. And if it doesn't work. Maybe that one should, yeah, here.
Okay, so
Big one will sit there.
slimy balls. That's slimy. SLIMIBALLZ. Slimy balls. All right, let's see what it looks like when we squeeze it.
Wait, there's glitter in it. Let me see
Oh,
this.
yeah.
For
Look
1
at
second.
What?
1 second.
All right, here we go.
What?
Hold on. Stand back. I have a knife in my hands.
Who's
All right.
Poke your
there?
daughter in the face.
I got this. Don't worry, I'm a professional. Okay, not a great idea. In my mind, it worked good. Here we go. You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
It's glitter glue. I don't think it's all gonna fit in there. It's not all gonna fit in there.
Oh, well, it'll top off.
I thought it was just water.
It's gonna spill.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna spill.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, I need.
Oh, it's,
It's sticky.
it's...
We need napkins. We
Oh, here we go. Glitter. It's kind of nice. I'm gonna have, oh, it's like,
need glitter glue.
Ghostbusters. This is like,
Slimer.
Slimer. This is what he left behind if he was a disco dancer.
Look.
Anybody? Nothing? Dad jokes.
Oh, my hand.
Some of these in here.
I already put some.
Oh, yeah, we can put some Orbeez in there.
Yeah, put all these in there.
I want a bowl, you guys, instead of making a mess.
Making a mess is what we do best. It's what we're good at. Okay. It's starting to get a little crazy up in here.
I
Okay.
gotta wash my hands.
Orbeez, and so this is the cool slime, but it's like
Glitter. We need napkins and a bowl of water.
he slimed me. Oh yeah.
Ethan, the muffins. Oh, this feels so good.
Can I open up Ryan?
No, not yet.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, listen. Not to Barkley. Barkley.
Mark was.
Wow, we need wet napkins.
we need a shower.
Yes.
I want to open up the splat ball, actually.
Not yet. Ethan, no more for you.
This one, I don't know what it is. Emma thinks she knows what it is because she's had one before.
It's a cake peep cutie.
Cake Peep Cutie. Or CPK for the cool people. Okay, this one, an X-Acto knife will work. Watch. Trust me.
But I'm opening the rest.
I know.
It's supposed to be a squishy, but it's just foam. There's probably going to be nothing else.
That's something we can put.
We can put it inside of here. Inside of the ocean. We can put it inside the
This
ocean.
actually looks pretty cool.
Yes. It's ocean with snow.
A snow ocean. A snowshin.
It's a snowshin.
That is a snowshin. We just invented it. Yeah, okay, so. Oh, we got a foam thing.
Foamy thing.
Who'd we get? Let's see.
Can we cut her?
No.
I think that's the whole part of the video.
Then I'm cutting it. We got
I'm
Nutty
going
Buddy.
in for surgery.
No, wait, not yet,
Hold
not
on.
yet.
Surgery time.
No. We got Nutty Buddy.
Okay, X-Acto knife not doing what I thought it would.
Can I try to cut it with this?
Yeah. Okay, what's inside? Oh,
Lost a head.
she lost an ear.
Wait, I'm gonna try to cut it into bits. What did Ethan do?
I don't know. Still more creepy.
I'm cutting her into bits.
Okay,
Her face off.
there's that. Next, we're gonna do the Japanese. It looks like Japanese writing
Or
on it.
Chinese.
It's Japanese. I recognize it. That was my foreign language in high school. Takumo splat ball! Yay! This one is gonna be just water, just like the poop.
Yeah.
Oh!
I love splat balls.
Oh, that's so cool!
Can I try?
It, like,
Wait, can that be my splat ball?
you know what?
No, we're cutting it open.
It's just full of water. That's neat. I have not ever seen this before. I did not expect that to happen.
We'll just keep
So
the
this,
ice cream
I
safe.
know, is filled with water because the other one was filled with water. It's the same texture, same everything. So we'll save the mess on that one and let Ethan keep that. Open it.
Yeah.
We've got a
No, wait, I want to cut it open.
Ryan's
Squishy.
Squishies from Ryan's World.
It's upside down.
That's, I think, how he was born.
I'm ready to slaughter him.
So for Ryan's Squishy, we're gonna see.
What he looks like.
These kids are violent. Too many video games for you. First, I want to test the squishing abilities. Squishing him.
I want to try it.
Squish
Can I
nibble.
try?
Wait, he's coming back to life.
Bye-bye, Ryan.
Ryan. You want to knife it?
Yes.
Or
No.
scissor it?
Scissors.
Scissor time. Get the scissors.
Oh, there's gonna be stuff on him, but okay.
All right. Wait, do it right underneath the. All right, here goes Ryan's head for some reason. Sadistic chop. Oh, what's in there? Hold on. We all right?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's a solid body of foam, but the outside has a layer of like paint on it, and the inside is the actual foam, and it's actually pretty soft. Feel that?
Wait, watch.
Yeah.
He's gonna sink.
I'm gonna
Ryan's
cut
head
off
is
his-
gonna sink.
It does sink. It looks like he's bathing in a hot tub of weirdness. Let's not make this weird. Ew. Move your hair, Ella. No. All right. What do you think of that one? Do you like the inside? Yeah. I want to cut down the center.
Can I have this splat ball?
I'm going to cut it down the center so we can see.
Ryan's head is getting
I think
centered.
it's all this foam.
It's all like a cloud foam. Now with sparkles that are coming off my hand.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
For the last one,
I'm gonna cut it up.
Bye-bye.
first before we open it, let's show them.
It's a
A
giant,
giant
worm.
gross worm. Kind of gross. That's gross.
Let me see. Lemons.
It's got bugs in it. I think
It
it is
maggots.
one solid piece. Like one solid
I
worm.
think there's slime in it.
I don't think it's a coating with slime in it. So I think it's one solid piece. But we're going to find out. Squirming gooey fun, it says. Yay.
His name's Mr. Worm.
Don't name it, because we're getting ready to kill it. What is that? Oh, maggot?
Maggots. Look, it can move. Maggots and...
You gotta do it over here underneath the camera. So there's maggots, maggots and worms. Wait, no.
Those are maggots.
Maggots are flies though, but they look like maggots.
Look, those are flies. Those are
Oh,
flies.
that will make sense. If those are flies, those are the fly babies. All right, let's squeeze it, see what's happening. See, I think it's one solid.
Oh, wait, listen.
Didn't you read what it says?
Nope.
The scrap-loving worm has turned carnivorous.
What does that mean?
He turned bad.
Oh, so now it's okay to kill him.
I'm gonna cut his head off.
Cut his head off. Go crazy.
No.
Just cut him right down the middle. Let's see what happens. Get in here.
Oh, it has to find in it.
Oh, so it's a thick one. It's like an 1/8 inch thick.
It's slime.
It is slime.
And there's bugs in
It's a
the
stretchy slime. Oh,
Move it over by
ooh,
the...
I have an idea. Oh,
It's okay.
I'm gonna cut it down the center.
That's what Emma did.
That's what I did.
Oh,
You copycat. The bugs are all the bugs. Where'd my slime go?
I think I threw it in here.
I'm gonna keep the slime.
Oh.
Why is this slime? No, don't throw the slime in. I want to
Okay.
keep it. I want to keep the
I'm
slime.
gonna keep the slime with maggots in it?
Yeah, bug slime. Don't put it
Oh.
over that. I don't.
Oh,
What do the little white things feel like?
hold on. Okay, the maggots. I'm gonna touch them. I think they're real
They look
maggots.
like jelly bellies.
Ew,
There-
it's
You wanna try one?
soft.
No.
It's
Is
soft.
it soft like styrofoam?
Yeah,
No.
but my brain still says it's a maggot for some reason. I mean, they look.
It's a squishy one.
I don't have my glasses on, but they look like they put some effort into, like,
Ew.
I can take these. They're not mine. That's gross. So in the tail or the butt of the snake, it's got a lot of.
Feel this one. Feel. There's squishy.
That's weird.
Mhm.
I'm keeping the slime. Oof.
It kind of smells lemony.
No.
Yes, it
Let
does.
me smell that one.
That's weird. It's like a jelly.
Ew, that does not smell good.
No, it does not.
It smells-
No.
Your
Wait,
senses
let me
are
see.
off.
I just gotta get the slime out.
Oh, okay. So it is a shell, and it's got ooze in it.
I was right.
You were right. I was
wrong.
incorrect.
Are you guys gonna stick your hands in there and mix that all up now?
No, I'm not.
Yes, I will.
She will. Cool. All right, Emma, mix it up.
I'm scared.
Scared of what? The maggots?
No. What's this?
It's
Part
You
of the
can take
head.
a picture when.
that's part of the head of the foamy girl. You got foamy rind, foamy girl pieces.
Body.
I mean, this is what your kids are playing.
Is Yelly on here?
Yeah. All right.
Well, I hope you cut open squishies and your hands get all messy. Well, not all messy.
Was it fun?
No.
Was it gross?
Yes.
Want to say goodbye?
Wait. I want to give Ryan a new hairdo. There.
It's beautiful. Don't do this at home without an adult present or a couple of adults present, because
Not like
I'm
you.
not considered an adult.
Yeah.
She was here to supervise us. That's fun.
But look at this. Wait.
Yeah. Have fun.
Look at this.
Say bye.
Who just opened the door?
Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.